Purell instant hand sanitizers are the perfect solution for moisturized, germ-free hands on the go. They kill most of the common germs and keep your hands clean and soft, and with a choice of seasonal scents. You get cleanliness and lightly fragranced hands, and all this without having to use any water. This makes the sanitizer your defense against germs, anytime, anywhere. It also tends to be less damaging to skin because it is built in emollients. Hand sanitizers are convenient to use and come in portable sizes, especially when soap and water are not accessible. You can use it before having food at a restaurant or while enjoying some street food. Made with naturally renewable ethanol. Kills more than 99.99% of most common germs that may cause illness. Convenient 1-ounce flip-top cap bottle is ideal for those on-the-go hand sanitizing moments. Kills the most germs. Just 1 squirt of Purell Advanced Hand Sanitizer kills as many germs as 2 squirts of any other national brand. Enhanced with 4 nourishing skin conditioning agents in a skin-friendly formulation that's mild on hands. Clinically proven to maintain skin health. It is dermatologically tested on skin. Leaves on resides and no itchy skin even on repeated uses.